What is up, Party Rental people? My name is Justin from Party Rental Knowledge. Today we're going to talk about Jump Orange and some Jump Orange bounce houses. I love Jump Orange as a company. I love all bounce houses. I'm a weirdo. I love bounce houses and inflatables, but Jump Orange makes some great stuff. It is super hard to be unique in the bounce house industry, and they are always different and doing unique stuff. And it's one of the reasons I love Jump Orange. They make some really, really eye-catching inflatables. This is my dual lane Pink Princess combo that I got from Jump Orange. This thing has some great features to it. Stake points always around the thing. You already know all bounce houses get staked down. If you're not, you're doing something wrong. Got the little thing for business cards. I love when companies do this, and it really makes me like, this is the type of stuff that makes me happy. They probably couldn't find pink Velcro, but they had the purple Velcro and they put it on there. So you can't see that there's Velcro still here to put a banner on. But because it's hidden, because they spent the extra money instead of having a giant black box around the front of the unit. I like that. Wanted to point it out. Little safety inflated steps. They got the net so people can't fall out of here. The slide's dual lane, but also the stairs going up to the slide are dual lane. Don't talk crap about me because it's dirty. My guys are literally cleaning this thing right now. Basketball hoop, escape net. See, it's got warning labels on the stairs as you're going up it into the slide too. As you can probably see the net covering over the slide as well. So there was a basketball hoop in there. That's always awesome. They got all the writing on the slide as well when you're going in and out. I can get this printed and put it on here with my logo. It'll be coming soon. I really enjoy that this thing has this little tunnel on it. It has this little tunnel so kids can go from one side to the other, like underneath the bounce house kind of. I think it's really sweet. This bounce house also has extra tall barriers at the top here, so kids are less likely to fly off when they're going down the slide. It has a drain on the middle of the splash pad. This is one of the few units that I feel Jump Orange actually makes with the splash pad. And this thing, let's just get to the chase right now. This thing rents. This thing rents out well. This thing is no joke. It's a great piece for your inventory. I have this thing rented out every week, and then I think I only put it on my website, I want to say about 3 or 4 weeks ago. No, I want to say it's like 6 weeks. And this thing's been rented out every week, and I want to say it's been inquired about like for days that's already been booked over 15 times already. So it means I basically could have had 2 more of these and it would have been rented out all those same weeks. Crazy. Yeah, the drainage on here, dual lane. You see the nets over the slide. That's super important so people can't like jump up and down on the slide or onto the landing. It helps prevent more and more accidents. We can go on this side of the slide. We'll show you this too while we're in the front. There's a zipper spot here. There's a zipper spot on the side of this slide. There's a zipper spot in the back where I showed you that banner. Notice the Velcro here? I like it. If a company doesn't put Velcro over their zippers so we can keep them open like this, I'm calling you out on it every time. This is stupid. Stop cheaping out on your bounce house by not putting that there. Like, we need those. I hate when the zipper's covered even though it's open, because it doesn't have a little flap on it, or the little Velcro to keep the flap up. Put flaps on, put Velcro on. Come on. You're lucky I can't think of any manufacturers by name right now. I'd be calling you out. Super loud. We're by the blower. Right here, the spot to put the hose and run it down so you can get it. They actually keep it also on the bottom of the unit too. So now if you want, you can actually run the hose along the bottom so it doesn't trip. I don't see any other manufacturer doing that. and I just want to point that out towards Jump Orange. Super, super cool boot. 2 blower tubes. The other one's hidden right over there. Big long blower tube. Long blower tubes are nice. Right here, we have the bladder system. And notice how it has that extra pink piece past it? Well, that lets you take the hose and keep it up in the air instead of coming and hanging off the side, so all the water drips off the side of the unit. I hate when people call me about, like, man, it's a water slide. There's going to be water coming off the side of the slide. It's not an absolute seal. I shoved your garden hose in a little pouch. Like, come on. But you know we all get those phone calls. But yeah, Jump Orange, man. I'm seriously happy with this unit. So I was wrong. I've only had this thing for about 6-7 weeks now, and it has been 24 times that people have asked me for dates for this specific unit, and it's already been rented out. And I'm getting these stats from my BCN website. 24 times. Well, geez, I haven't looked at this in a little bit. 50 times for my Mars Landing water slide. The Mars one that Jump Orange also rents. The Rocky Mountain one, the Dark Knight, it's over there. You can pan to it, I don't know if you can see it from here. That one over there, 14 times it's already been rented. It's been checked, it's already been rented out. This is another Jump Orange unit. Their slides are awesome, man. That thing and the, what you call it, the Mars Landing thing is sick. I probably should buy another one of those. Like, BCN's great too. Like, 50 times, 20 by 20 pull tent package, 41 times it was looked at and I couldn't rent it out. Yeah, these stats are crazy. The dunk tank, if you could go look at the other dunk tank video I did, 18 times it was booked out. These are the stats you want to be looking at when you're purchasing units. This unit, 7 weeks, it's already 24 times. I've had the Mars Landing unit from last year. So this unit is pretty much new and it's already, like, I need to buy another one. It's as simple as that. This is also, I'm all about data, so I'm not gonna mess with your heads at all. This is also the only Princess combo that I have. So I definitely should have 2, but that just shows some of the statistics, so it might be skewing it down. If I had a couple different versions, we could tell you which one's better, but this at least attests to the demand of having a pink Princess bounce house or combo. Seriously, I can't say enough. Jump Orange, jumporange.com. Hit up Julio at Jump Orange. Hit up Rochelle. They're great people. Ray, shout out to Ray, the owner. Don't sleep on Jump Orange. If you're checking out IAPA, go check out Jump Orange over there too. I can say Jump Orange probably 20 more times if you want me to, because this video is definitely sponsored by Jump Orange, and definitely want to show the appreciation for Jump Orange. It's not really sponsored by Jump Orange. It's a Jump Orange video. I'm not going to sit here and talk about freaking other manufacturers while I'm doing a review on Jump Orange. But I think I got Jump Orange in there probably like 5 more times. So go Jump Orange. Go check out my other videos. Subscribe to the newsletter, 716-451-2911. All the deals on Jump Orange. Check it out. Like and subscribe.